and welcome to Finextra. I'm Emily Horler and I'm here with FB from EPAM. Thanks very much for joining me.
Hi.
Customers of wealth management firms and private banks are expecting more for less. So how is this affecting the industry?
I think the way it affects the industry is that you need to provide new information, a new set of information, and you need to go back and you really rethink your business model itself. Right now, everybody's challenged by the shrinking margins due to the pressure from robo-advisors, fintech startups. So people are really going back and really start understanding how much help they can get from in-house robo-advisors, digitalization of certain processes, and overall optimizing the overall process. Plus, at the same time, you have customers who are asking for more and willing to pay less. Right? That's a big challenge, and what's for us, what we feel is a real differentiation is people expecting, the new generation is expecting these services for almost free, which I think is quite a new thing for this industry.
Digital is becoming an essential channel. How should private banks and wealth management firms address this transformation? And what role do challenges play in this?
That's a very loaded question. So digitalization is really an expectation. Expectation is coming from overall because the overall industry is moving towards digital. When you're interacting with your retail banking, when you're interacting with our service providers, who either not in the wealth management or not in the banking space, but you expect a digital experience. As your generation or millennials, the Generation X is becoming inherits the wealth, they expect different type of behaviors from their wealth managers and interaction channels. Wealth managers have to prepare for it. They have to launch digitalization projects. It's here to stay. It's not going to go away. You cannot avoid it. You just need to accept it that the world is changing. So you need to understand and you need to figure out what's going to be your digital identity. And as you identifying and as you building up your digital identity, you need to understand or need to go and realize that how your digital identity is driving your brand itself and what services you're going to offer in this new world.
Based on your experiences in Asia, can you share some examples of some digital transformation success stories in the wealth management space?
So we just launched quite recently for our customers a new digital platform. It went into trial in end of 2014 last year. Then it became generally available in April this year. Today we have over 2,000 ultra-high net worth customers onboarded to this platform. And this platform is being extended and now it's going to other channels, other devices. So originally it was released on standard, or let's call it typical digital platforms such as the mobile phones or your tablets, but now we are launching an extension to this application which is targeting the iPhone. What we learned is in APAC or Asia, people like to use their devices to interact with their portfolio. And once they're able to touch the portfolio, they actually do more trading and they drive more activity to the banks.
Great, thank you very much.
Thank you.
And thank you for watching.